Okay, so the first question on our practice quiz asks us to find the mean, median, mode, and range of this data set. And we've got the numbers 3.75, 2 and 5 tenths, 4, 5 and 25 hundredths, 1 and 25 hundredths. So in order to find the mean, I'm going to add all of those together first. So I'm going to take 3 and 75 hundredths, being very careful to line up my decimal points and my numbers, 2 and 5 tenths, 4, 5 and 25 hundredths, and 1 and 25 hundredths. Think $3.75, $2.50, $4, $5.25, $1.25. I can fill in with zeros if that makes my life a little bit easier. 5, 10, 15, put down my 5, carry my 1. I've got 5 and 2 make 4, and 1 more makes 5, so 5 and 5 is 10 plus 7 is 17. Bring that decimal point down, carry my 1. Let's see, I've got 5 here plus 5 there makes 10, plus 5 here makes 15, plus 1 is 16. So I think my answer should be 16 and 75 hundredths. Now I've got to take that 16 and 75 hundredths and divide it by the number of pieces of data that I have in my data set. So I'm going to divide by 5 here. So I take my 16 and 75 hundredths, dividing by 5 because there are 5 numbers in this data set. Bring my decimal up to the roof because there's nothing on the side, so I don't have to slide. 5 cannot divide into 1, but 5 can divide into 16 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract the 15 from my 16, get 1. Bring down my 7. 5 does divide into 17 3 times. Subtract the 15 from 3 times 5, get 2. Bring down my 5, and 5 divides into 25 5 times. Subtract my 5 times 5, which is 25, and get 0. So my mean, my overall average, is going to be 3 and 35 hundredths. Now to find the median, I have to put these numbers in numerical order. So my smallest number here is going to be 1.25, 1 and 25 hundredths. My next biggest number would be 2 and 5 tenths. Then I'm going to go up to 3.75, and again I'm just thinking money, $1.25, $2.50, $3.75, and then next would be 4 or $4, and then finally $5.25 or 5 and 25 hundredths. The median is the one that falls right in the middle, so we can see very easily that 3 and 75 hundredths, or $3.75, falls right in the middle of that data set. My mode is the number that occurs most often, and since I don't have a number that occurs more often than any other number here, I have no mode. Not 0, because 0 is a number, but no mode. My range is just the difference between the biggest number in the data set and the smallest number in the data set. So I'm going to take 5 and 25 hundredths, or $5.25, and subtract $1.25, or 1 and 25 hundredths. 5 minus 5 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, bring down that decimal point, 5 minus 1 is 4, so my range is 4. All right, that's it for the first problem.